BloggingPro Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll share my insights into BloggingPro, a dedicated platform for freelance writers and content creators. If you're interested in exploring BloggingPro further, I've included links in the description below. Let's dive straight into it. BloggingPro is a specialized job board designed for freelance writers, editors, and bloggers looking for quality work opportunities. Its focus on content-related roles makes it a perfect platform for professionals in the writing industry. The platform is simple to use, with a streamlined layout where job postings are regularly updated. Clients post specific writing gigs, including blogging, copywriting, editing, and even content strategy projects, catering to a wide array of niches like tech, health, travel, and finance. Freelancers can browse through listings without any upfront costs, as BloggingPro doesn't require a subscription to access jobs. The job postings are detailed, typically specifying the scope of work, payment terms, and the type of expertise clients are seeking. This transparency is a major plus for freelancers, as it allows them to filter out unsuitable projects and focus on opportunities that align with their skills. For clients, BloggingPro provides a straightforward way to connect with experienced writers. The platform's audience consists of content professionals, making it easier for businesses to find the right fit without wading through irrelevant applications. Posting a job is simple, and the targeted nature of the platform ensures higher quality applications compared to generic freelancing websites. One of the standout aspects of BloggingPro is its simplicity. Unlike platforms with complicated bidding systems or commission fees, BloggingPro acts as a direct bridge between clients and freelancers. However, it doesn't handle payments or contracts, so users need to negotiate and manage these aspects independently. In summary, BloggingPro is ideal for freelancers who specialize in writing and editing, and for businesses seeking skilled content professionals. Its niche focus and no-frills approach make it a valuable tool for connecting talent with opportunity. If you're interested in exploring BloggingPro, check out the links in the description to get started.